Hey traders, I hope everyone is having a great weekend. So this week it's no longer morning shifts, but it it is night shifts. So what I am going to be looking into, it's going to be hard obviously to focus on the dip buys during market open. What would be really good is having stocks to trade on the mobile app available, because I'm still not really in a position to run a live account quite yet. So, and I don't want to fund a live account to get a paper trading account with a broker, because I'll be tempted to, I'll be tempted to trade with real money. And currently I'm just, I'm not prepared for that. It took me around 9 months to really formulate a plan for Forex trading. And last month it was around 5% returns or so, which I'm extremely happy about. And although for Forex, that's okay. For the risk profile that I do have, taking around 1 to 2% per trade, based on how good the trade is. I have a ratings system. Anyway, so look, I'd be potentially looking for a swing trade on MGTI, just to sort of start us off with 260. Let's just see what 260 offers resistance-wise. Trying to formulate a little bit of about the 1 year chart. Fundamentally, MGTI, well, they have all their eggs in one basket essentially, and it's interesting. But also Bitcoin did have a bit of a bounce, so I like to watch that a little bit, because it is correlated. Because some people are scared to get into Bitcoin, the actual cryptocurrency, but they want to buy shares in companies that are exposed to cryptocurrencies and things like that. MGTI especially, they mine Bitcoin, I believe Ethereum as well, perhaps. Apologies, I haven't researched the company in huge detail, but they don't have a lot of debt, and it's interesting. They've got expansion on the way as well, so we'll see. They were associated with John McAfee with cybersecurity as well, but that hasn't really panned out too well. So anyway, alright, so 260. Zoom out, it's 260. Okay, so there is a little bit of resistance there. So we'll see. We'll see on that. The volume has recently picked up a little bit. Average is 2.8 million. For a while it was like 1.2. So go back to the 2-day chart. I just like to see how it goes on Monday. It actually was like a stair-stepper style. This is interesting. It's consolidation. And the strange thing is no real news came out, and the company haven't really put a press release out or anything like that. So they might have done a feature on CNBC. I'm not entirely sure on that. So I'll be watching this one. It's not, a fantastic trade or a setup. I'm just sort of saying it's a stock of interest, definitely. ATOS, this one. So I've got some support resistance here. So down here in the, where is this? 27-cent level is a little bit of support. Probably not the best zone, really, but I've written it in there. So, is this about flat $1? Yeah. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is, I probably wouldn't short where it's at or buy, because you're heading into resistance, but there's no real support. I mean, there is a little bit. No, there is a little bit. I thought I did draw this in on the. Go back to the 2-day. I hope I did. No, I didn't. There's a little bit of support at 58. I mean, 70, 66. There's a few touches there at 66. I might just put that in there now, just so I don't forget. Again, unfortunately, I'm not going to be in a position to trade market open. Has this been? Let's just have a look at the 15-day. It's been up recently. Had a little bit of a down day though. Just discussing potential dip buys here on ATOS. Maybe. It's a little bit of news out. Was this the stock that was presenting later in February? Probably not. I might have got mistaken with POTN. Yeah, they're doing the okay. So POTN. Look, the wheat sector is still interesting. The blockchain, crypto type plays have slowed down a little bit. So it's interesting. POTN, if we go to a 15-day. It's not going to be a spectacular video, unfortunately, guys. You know, setups wise, it's not really fantastic. I mean, if we get a panic down there, you know, there's a potential. A little bit of support down there. 34. No, 38. No, where was the support level? Sleep deprived chart analysis at its best, folks. It's so laggy, come on. 33, we'll call it 33 cent sort of range there, so there's a little bit of support. What about AKER? I think this had a huge day. Yeah, it did have a huge day. Someone buy this stock, is that what's going on? I'll see if this loads. I apologize for the slow uploads here, guys. This is an SEC filing. So what was statement of beneficial ownership of common stock by certain persons. Okay, so someone's bought this. Maybe some influential. Now, Delaware, is that who? You know, I'm not good at doing is reading these, and I need to sort of get better at that. Okay, well, it's a significant ownership of the stock, so it's interesting. What do these guys do? Medical instruments. It's interesting. It had a run up, and then it hit some heavy resistance at 64. It's got support down in 42. So we'll see how it sort of goes. I mean, we're already closed at 48. So, you know what? I'm going to draw in some support here. Nothing really is fantastic. You know, I stand by the swing trade on MGTI. Really, if it could spike to $3 and then, you know, the company's not issuing press or anything, and then Bitcoin crashes again, there could be a potential back down to 2. I think 204 was the previous low. So that's my idea for MGTI, aka POTN, potential dip buy off 34-ish cents. ATOS, there's not really a lot to talk about with ATOS, really, is there? It's sort of, I'm more like POTN because it's, you know, it's got a little bit of a catalyst it's presenting, and it's, you know, a bit of a hot sector play. AKER. It's interesting. We'll see what it does. We get a bounce off some support at 42 cents. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Another video will come probably, honestly, when I finish work. So I'll be getting back here, and it'll be 2 p.m. No, 1 p.m. New York time tomorrow Monday. Okay, bye, guys.